Bridge loans, bridging the gap between buying and selling.
Hi, Steffi back with eLendingNow. Today let's talk about bridge loans. We get a lot of questions from clients when they're looking at purchasing a new house, but they own an existing house and want to close on that new house before that existing house sells. How do they pull the equity out to use as a down payment? Well, that would be in the form of a bridge loan. And here's how a bridge loan would work. Let's just say that the value of your current house is $300,000, and that's been based off an appraisal or what you currently have it listed for. We can do up to 90% of that for a bridge loan. So we're going to take 90% of the value. So 90% of $300,000 is going to be $270,000. Now let's just say that you owe on a first mortgage $150,000. Subtract that from the 270, and that's going to leave you with $120,000 to put as a down payment on the new house, keeping in mind that if you have a second mortgage balance, you would also need to subtract that from the 120. Okay, so how that bridge loan is going to work then is you have that 120,000. We could turn around and pay off the first mortgage, and you would have a bridge loan for $270,000. Now that bridge loan is going to have an interest-only payment that is going to be due every month until that house sells. Typically, if your house doesn't sell in 6 to 12 months, then we're going to have to reassess at that point and decide what needs to be done. But it's definitely an option that can be looked at. We need to make sure that you qualify in a debt-to-income ratio on our side of it, but we want to make sure that it's feasible for you to be able to afford the new payment on the new house plus an interest-only payment on that bridge loan. The other thing to remember is that if we pay off that first mortgage, your escrow is gone in that existing house for taxes and insurance. So if your taxes or insurance comes due and you haven't sold your house yet and you still have that bridge loan, that any amounts due you would have to pay out of pocket for the homeowner's insurance or property taxes. For more information on bridge loans, give us a phone call at 701-355-4172. Thank you.